Hey everybody, this is Laurie with Southern Charm Chalk with Laurie. I wanted to come on today and do a seasonal project for Thanksgiving. It's for the kitchen, an inking project for the kitchen. So let's get started. As you can see, I have got a dish towel that I found at a local department store. Actually, it came in a little set, and I have decided to do the seasonal harvest turkey on this one and in the bark. I could do it in black, but I just think that would make it look a little too much like Halloween, even with a turkey on it. So I'm hoping the bark will look okay, but let's get started. The inks, when they come, they are already just the right consistency, and they are very pretty colors. We've got almost every color that you can think of in the inks. Now I am going to take and just prepare this a little bit because I don't want it to go off. Our inks are permanent. So I want to protect my towel just a little bit, and I'm going to put just a little bit of our transfer tape right here, so that if I should go off the edge just a little bit, at least it will just be on the tape, not on my towel. All right, there we go. And I'm going to take and put the start up at the top and squeegee down. Now, what I will need to do with these, they're not finished, they're not heat set. I will have to heat set. I need to let these dry 24 hours before I use my heat press to heat set the ink in the fabric. You don't have to have a heat press to do that. You can use an iron, but I will do it on both sides. Of course, I can't do that on the mitts, but I heat set it, and then they will be able to be thrown in the washing machine and washed just like every other towel. So thank you so much for watching me. If you're interested, if you like this, I'm on Facebook, or I am on Facebook as Southern Charm Chalk with Laurie, but this is my little website. If you like these products, except for the towels, these are not on the website, but the ink and this transfer, Seasonal Harvest and Give Thanks. And this was in the locally grown, locally grown transfers that I used for that. They are on the website. So if you're interested, please go there. Also, I am on Instagram, Southern Chalk Girl _ Laurie. I would appreciate it if you would go and follow my page or follow my site. And also, I am on YouTube, Southern Charm Chalk with Laurie. Facebook name is the same thing as YouTube. So I would appreciate it if you can hit that, hit the follow and subscribe to my channel, and then hit the little bell so you'll see have notifications as to when I put a video up, because I am putting them up very frequently, and because I love Chalk Couture and want to share it with the world. So thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you.